If you are looking for a turnkey condo within minutes to Nashville in the cutest community, then look no further than my listing here in Carothers Farms. So stay tuned because that's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. One of the best features about this condo is going to be its open living space where you've got beautiful natural light and a balcony to enjoy the outdoors, but then you have this fantastic kitchen. It's full of plenty of cabinet space and countertop space. But in addition to that, you're also going to have a really large pantry space, which is something that can be hard to find, especially in a condo. And then on top of that, another spacious area is going to be this laundry space here. Now, the unit does come with its own washer and dryer, but instead of being cramped or stacked like most condos, you actually have a lot of space, and you also have a great countertop and space up above with the wire rack. Another great feature, like I mentioned before, is the fact that this unit, it's a ground floor unit, but it also comes with this balcony space, which it's not a cramped balcony space by any means. You've got plenty of space for a table and chairs. And because of the Tennessee weather, this is a space that can be used throughout most of the year. So this is going to be one of the two bedrooms. One of the things I love the most about this space is just all the natural light with these beautiful windows. Now, again, it is a 2-bed, 2-bath condo, so you do have a great size full bath right here. But if maybe you don't have someone else to occupy the second bedroom, all of that natural light makes a great home office. And then at the back of the condo, this is where you are going to find your primary bedroom and bathroom. So a little bit more about the neighborhood in which my listing is located. So it is, like I've mentioned, Carothers Farms. This is going to be about 20 minutes southeast of Nashville. It is located in Davidson County. However, it is in very close proximity to Nolensville. This community, the neighborhood itself, it offers the beautiful barn and silos, which, like I've said, reminds me of Joanna Gaines and Magnolia. So you do have just that really great southern feel. Now, in addition to condos, you're also going to find townhomes, cottage houses, as well as single family homes. So there's a myriad of different types of housing here in this community, which is great because it offers housing for any stage of life. They also have a dog park, a community garden. They do have a play area for kids as well. If you are wanting more information on this listing, then you can click down below for the link. It'll take you to its website, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you would like your own personal showing. Again, my name is Caitlin Martin. I'll see you next time.